My dear hunters, I bring you some news here on our Bitcoin calculator. If you want, you can watch the other video to understand what this is about, but it's a tool that will help you in your hunt for Bitcoins. We've already seen this part in the previous video. Now I'm going to show you what's new. Well, first, there's this little menu up here to separate the features. Let's start with the most basic, the list of unsolved challenges. You can find this in a lot of places, but it's always good to have it handy, right? These here are the challenges that are still awarding Bitcoin with the amount of Bitcoin shown. So the next challenge is awarding 7.1 Bitcoin. Guys, that's a lot of money. This is the one that most people are looking for. Anyway, there are several challenges with a lot of Bitcoin to be distributed. Here's the list. You can find the list elsewhere, but it shows the challenge range, the target address, and other not so important information. Now, here in the range generator, this is where things start to get cool, okay? When you're looking for Bitcoin, the big trick is to find the right range, right? Because it's huge. There's a lot to search through. If you hit the right starting point for your search, then you'll actually be able to find something. So this here helps us generate a starting point for the search. How does it work? Here you'll enter the wallet. It's set to 71 by default, but you can put 72, 73, whatever you want. I'm going to put 30 to test it. 30 has already been found, okay? So if we find it here now, we probably will because it's an easy wallet, but we won't be able to withdraw the Bitcoin. But it's just for testing, just to show you guys. If I just click generate right away, it's here in random mode. Random means it's random. It will generate a random number for me, this one here, which I can use as a starting point for my search, okay? If this range here has already passed the search, I won't find it. If it's just a little before, I'll find it right away. The range 30 is relatively small. Let's test it. I'm going to take the range from the tool itself here, see? 3F, and I'll paste it here. I'll also paste our initial value here. And we have to put at the end here the address that we also have in our list of puzzles. Look how amazing this tool is. We don't have it in the puzzle list, sorry, because number 30 has already been solved. So let's get it from somewhere else. I got it from somewhere else, I'll paste it here. I can already tell it's going to work because I took a quick look at the answer. The answer is 3D, we're starting from 3D9. So it should work right away. I'm using Bitcrack here, which runs 200 million keys per second. It should find it instantly. There, it already found it. It found our little key. I'll zoom in here so you can see. Here's the public key, and this is the private key. 3D9, exactly right. It worked. This was also something I wanted to test because I thought maybe I had to remove all those zeros, but it works anyway. So you just need to put the initial range you generated, the correct address, and it will work here. I've already tested it with 30 to see that it's working. And now I'm going to show you my favorite, which is in the range generator. Instead of leaving it on random, you can change it here to percentage. Remember how we used to do this with the BTC Finder in JavaScript? Now you can do it here in this tool. It's very simple. Here it's set to 50%. Just to show you, if I click on 50, it will generate for us right here 6, which is between 4 and 7F. It's at 50%. But you can put whatever number you want here, right? 76.810638954. I'm even going to test it because I have a little feeling. But obviously it's not going to be right, is it? Because it's really hard to find it here. But it generated it here for me, look. It generated exactly at this percentage. If the percentage is correct, this number here will be correct, right? Obviously not, but very close. Also, obviously not. You all know how hard it is to get this statistical calculation right. But I'm going to try because you never know. So I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to put in our portfolio 71, which I'm looking for, and paste the range here and let whatever happens happen. Just imagine, guys, look at this. Imagine if I'm recording the video here and it finds it. It's not going to find it. It might find it because the chance is very small, but there is a chance it's not zero. It's 0.0000001. It's not zero. Well, it's running now. I'm going to let this run until it tries at least 10 billion keys. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and see you next time.